Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of important personnel all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So in this platform, we react to all videos and we give you all the latest updates. In fact, we draw the world closer to your doorstep. So please watch this video and I will be watching it with you. Don't forget, drop your opinion in the comment section and I'll be right back.
Yeah, Central School, and don't know why I think go on the one. And then I feel about INEC officials. What they bought two of them. And they never get around. Look around you, what are you for? They are here for you to come and collect your PVC. The cars are here with them. This is a filled with card, your PVC. Nobody's here. I'm the only one here, the only me so here with this people. They come here, they go, they won't see anybody. Tomorrow they will be here again, they won't see anybody. At the end of the day, you go on social media and tell INEC to extend the period of collection of PVC. Are you being fair to yourself? Like an adult Nigerian who has not collected his PVC up to this moment, are you not being irresponsible? No, tell me, are you being fair to yourself? I mean, how can you sit at home just to spend few minutes to come clean your PVC will be a problem? INEC, we say INEC is the problem. Now look at INEC. These are INEC officials. They're here. No seat. You see where they're sitting? They're okay. They're not complaining. You that is the owner of the PVC, come and collect your card. You are nowhere to be found. Is this fair? Like, are we being fair on ourselves? Are we being fair to ourselves this week? Your PVC, your power to vote. Let me show you mine. This is my own. Without this, you cannot vote. Your PVC. Go and collect your PVC. Leave whatever you are doing. Go and collect your PVC and vote so that you don't have to suffer for the next 4 to 8 years. Haba. Go and collect your PVC, no not that para. Go and collect your PVC. What sort of thing is this? How can you be telling an adult Nigerian who has lived the past 7.5 years in Nigeria, who has witnessed what we've all been through in Nigeria, and you are, so the person is waiting for you to tell him or how to go and collect his PVC? I mean, how? Does it make sense? Go and collect your PVC. Go and collect your voter's card for God's sake. It's coming to an end though. What date is that again, mother? January 22nd. January 22nd, you heard it from the INEC official. January 22nd, the collection of PVC will end. Go and collect your voter's card for God's sake. Collect it and vote to. Vote to. Haba. The fact that you don't vote is because of why we're here today. Vote. Vote the right person. I'm not asking who, I'm not telling you who to vote. Vote anybody you want to vote for. But collect your PVC first and foremost. This is not a political thing. Go and collect your voter's card and vote for whoever you want to vote for. But first and foremost, you must get your PVC. What I'm holding now is PVC. Go and collect your own for God's sake. Because no. Like the close your shop for few minutes. It doesn't take. Look at INEC here. If you come here now, you won't spend up 5 minutes. You pick your card and go home. Nobody is saying you should just get your PVC. We are not saying you should do anything beyond getting your PVC. On election day, you come out and vote. Haba. I had to skip what I was doing at Ekpa Square just to come here. This is what we do every day. You come here, you won't see anybody. And they will sit here, they will go home. Look at what where they're sitting. They watch no seat for them, but they will be here. They will endure. Tomorrow you complain and you say INEC is the problem. Now you are the problem right now. Why collect your voter's card for God? Nobody's here. Look around you. Show them around. Nobody's here. This is Central School, Primary School, Central School. You don't know what happened. Nobody's here. Except these INEC people. And a few, even the people have closed. The school children they've gone home for today. We are all here alone with these INEC people. Go and get your voter's card. It is here. What you are looking at now, these are your PVCs. Just come here, write your name, take your card, you go home.
Found? The message goes to those who say want to go and contest at the National Assembly, especially from Biafraland. Today is the 17th day of January and 23. I am aware that you are all having meetings, secret meetings. I am aware that you are, brainstorming and having meetings, what you can do, what can you do, what can you not do in order to have election. I want you to understand that you are wasting your time. You are wasting your time. There is one thing, challenge, I will give to you people. Having these meetings can never change anything. Some of you have information that a lot of people don't have. And you know the information I'm talking about. What is happening in Biafraland is not about insecurity. It is war that has been declared and is being fought. If you want to make impact, truly, in what is happening next month, if you want to make impact, if the people that are running for any office in the southeast and other part of Biafraland, if you want to make impact, I want to see you go to Abuja between now and 22nd. Between now and 22nd of this month. Today is 17 in Biafraland. So you have 20, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. You have 4 days from now to go to Abuja and bring Mazi Nnamdi Kanu back. If you do it, something positive will happen. I want every Biafrans to cut this particular section of this video. Tell them, I am aware of the meeting you have, and I am aware of everything you discussed in that meeting. And to show you that what we are fighting is for the best interest of Biafra people and the Igbo. I challenge you, if you are serious, if you're really actually serious, leave that meeting you are having. It is never going to bring anything. As many as you are in that meeting, come together, walk to Abuja, to Malami, or to the man in Asorok. You know what to do. Go there. Come back with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on the 22nd. And miracle will happen. It's a challenge I have given you. But I know you people cannot do it because you are not real. You are not real. You were discussing and contemplating, oh, if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come out now, can he stop Simon Ekpa? If this one can challenge now, I'm throwing it even before. Because I know everything that was discussed in the meeting. All this press release of the Southeast, whatever, come, let us start speaking out. We don't need your speaking out. Just speaking out. Speaking out doesn't solve any problem. You have to go to Abuja, bring Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and bring him to Biafraland. I am giving you my word. Things will change. That thing you are afraid of, I am telling you ahead of time. Bring Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Go to Abuja between now and the 22nd of this month. First of all, the Monday sit at home will stop. From that moment. Second of all, the 23rd and the 24th sit at home, you also consider that. Just to show you that you are not real. I want to see these people that gathered to have meeting. I want to see you in Abuja. Go Abuja, go to Abuja. You know what to do. Tell them that everything now lies on the head of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Bring him out. Bring him back to Southeast. And I will give you my word. And see things happen. But if this did not happen, and the only thing you are trying to do is to use gun and bullet, if you don't know that you have failed now, then you must be a fool. If you don't know by now that your gun and bullet cannot stop Biafra from coming, or cannot stop what we are doing, then you should know that you are a fool. You are not qualified to run for any office. By now, you should have done check and balance and know that you can stop us, because the information you have, other people don't have it. So this is my word to all those running for political offices in Biafraland this night. And take it very serious. Take my word very, very serious. I want you to cut this video, share it to them, and let nobody say he did not hear me. Once you go to Abuja, you will bring Mazi Nnamdi Kanu back, and everything will change. And you have between now and the 22nd of this month. You know, last year, I was telling them, I know that when the election is coming, you will say, oh, you will come and release Onyendu. We're not going to that time. I told you people. But because of the health of our leader, because of, you know, a lot of things has transpired, we are reconsidering the possibility of even accepting that, okay, at the end, because the election is already here. But remember that we told you people that time last year, not when the election is coming, you people will come and release him, come and stop, okay, come, let everything work. What about the compensation? What about everything you have done to him? What about the torture? What about, you know, the bruises, mental torture, physical torture you have inflicted on him? What about that? How are you gonna solve that? The trauma for just asking for freedom of his people. So the time has come. Show us that you are real. Not just come, you know, show us that the meeting you are having, which I am aware of, that you are actually, you mean business. I am here now to address you. Because some of you were blabbing in that meeting. You were talking. Oh, Simon Ekpa, no, me go there. Oh, Simon Ekpa, I can't talk. I know that I am everywhere. I am everywhere. Believe me. Biafra have the most, you know, should be feared. I would say should be the most feared intelligence gathering. We are everywhere. We are in your government houses. We are in your media. If your wife is there, we are there. That's why I said everything we want to know, even if it is your wife, she's going to tell us. Your children will tell us. Your relative will tell us. Except we don't want to know. So I'm telling you now, those people that had meeting, that came to issue a statement of everybody must start speaking. I know everything you discussed, and I know the people that were involved in that meeting. So I'm telling you now, do not worry yourself. Do not worry no more. Don't contemplate no more what is going to happen. Bring Onyendu out, and the game will change. We're going to answer calls.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye.